This is Village Auto's 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Crew Cab, 4-wheel drive with a Z71 off-road package, short box, absolutely pristine 2-owner truck. The tow package, spray and bed liner, alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires, chrome step bars, vent visors. You also have the bull guard. Very sharp, well-maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8, along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $14,660. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a cloth interior, very clean as you can see. You do have the full power options, including the power driver's side seat, folding center console, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, dual automatic climate control, tow haul mode along with the auto stick feature, steering wheel audio controls, cruise. You also have the OnStar, Home Link. Altogether very clean, very well maintained truck that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado home with you today.